The next section is on sequences. And sequences are essentially a pattern of numbers. So it says an ordered list of numbers such as 3, 7, 11, 15, 19 is called a sequence. And some terminology. A1 represents the first term of a sequence. A2 would represent the second term. And AN represents the nth term. So what that means is that's the generic term. Since n could be anything, it could be any term in the sequence. Okay, so it says find the next three terms in the sequence. So we have our sequence that we listed up here, and it's 3, 7, 11, 15, and 19. So the pattern is to get from one term to the next, it looks like they're adding 4. So the next term would be 19 plus 4, which is 23. And then add 4 again to get 27, and then add 4 again to get 31. And that'll be our answer. Now, this specific type of sequence is called an arithmetic sequence, which we will talk about later, but I'm just going to label it. Okay, number 2, we have 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. So essentially they're just adding 1 to the denominator each time. So these will be my next 3 terms.